didn't actually intend to be a lawyer at all in the first place. I went up to St Andrews to read modern languages, Russian and French. At the end of my masters, I was thinking, what am I going to do with my life? And I met some very nice people from Stevenson Harwood and interviewed with them, and was persuaded that I might try law as a career, and I have found it fascinating and enjoyed most of it. I wouldn't say every minute. There's some terrifying moments in being a lawyer. Some of the terrifying moments, I remember being sent to court to file documents only to have them rejected because they said that we were out of time to reject them, and having to make an application there on my feet. I remember going to investigate some fraudulent claims being made in West Africa, and having a gun pointed at my head as I was investigating. So yeah, some interesting and sometimes terrifying moments. When I came to Stevenson Harwood, I didn't really know what kind of lawyer I wanted to be, and as you know, I've ended up in the shipping team. And what drew me to shipping really was the international nature of the business, and I've really enjoyed being in this international community, in the international trade and the shipping side, and it's given me the opportunity to use my languages that I learned at university, so that time was not wasted. And when I was in London, I did a lot of business, particularly in West Africa, because of, well, not only my degree was in French, but actually I grew up in what was then called Zaire. I spent 11 years living there, so I did a lot of work there, and I did a lot of work in the Russian Arctic as well. So two very different environments from sort of temperature, but very similar in terms of legal needs.